Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Paul, and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. And yes, you would have gone through a news regarding Facebook investing in Reliance Jio. So you would have gone through if you're there in my um, Telegram channel. If not, I'll just share with you guys what it is. So it is a wonderful piece of information shared by Angel Broking team. So Angel Broking shared this particular data with me so that I can spread this word to my subscribers. So thank you so much for Angel Broking for sharing this particular information. So keep sharing like this so that I can share the same to the crowd. So they have sent a lot of details, like a lot of paragraphs which I have to read through. So if I read through everything of that, it will be boring, and I'm sure you may not understand in simple terms. So I have read through twice, and I have noted down important points which I want to share with you. Whatever I understood, I will share in simple words. So that is my style of teaching. So I will share whatever I have understood so that you guys also will understand like how I understood. So anyways, I'll just read out. So on 22nd April, Mark Zuckerberg. So I don't know how we pronounce it or spell it. Zuckerberg or Zuckerberg, I don't know. So I just mentioned Mark. So Mark, the founder of Facebook, did a big announcement. So what was that announcement? They are planning to buy 9.99% stake in India's leading telecom giant Reliance Jio. Alright, so this is what information is there. 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio company. So we know Reliance Jio is a very big company. Reliance is a very big company in India. So they are planning to take a big part of it. So, what is the deal value? So deal value is around 43,500 crores in Indian rupees. I'm just telling the converted price here. So 43,500 crores is the deal price. So you would have seen the amount is so big. You would have seen Nifty and Sensex jumping today, even though the crude oil price fell yesterday globally and all that. You would have seen market going positive today in the morning because of this, one of the reason. Also, I think Reliance Jio went up to 7%, right? Up to 7% in the morning initial jump it got because of this good news. So now, so before that, so if you don't have your trading account, you can open your trading account in Angel Broking. The link is in video description. So they are a full-time broker. They have a lot of research reports. They have very good research team, and they give a lot of information like this for creators also, and also for a person who's having trading account. You have a lot of information to learn. So if you want to be up to date and have all the features of free research also on stocks, you can open your free account. It's a totally free account. So link is in video description. So now let's continue. So what is the deal about? So let's go in little more in deep. So listen carefully. So if you know, Mark's net worth is around 63 billion, and Mukesh Ambani's net worth is around 47.5 billion. All these are in dollars, okay? So you know, these two members are big giants. I mean, big businessmen in the world, all right? So if they are doing something like this, then definitely there will be some big reason, or they would have done a proper business research. Then only they would have put hands, because Facebook, Mark has taken Instagram, they have WhatsApp. So it's a very great business deal which they have taken up. Or else if you see Reliance, they have taken up Jio, and when Jio came, they were in next level, how they gave offers and how they marketed things, and so they know how to do business. So both are good businessmen. So if they are coming up with this type of idea, something investment, there is some big thing behind it. So now one more interesting part, what we can see is the conversion. So they paid in dollars. When you convert it to Indian, what we got is around 70 rupees conversion. So 70 rupees is the price at which they have converted the dollar to rupee. So this is not the current price. This is something which is done in Jan. So the deal was done in Jan, which they're announcing now, because now the rupee has fallen, but the deal was done at 70 rupees back then. All right. So that means there is something in this particular deal, because this is a lockdown period. All right. And middle of the lockdown, they are announcing this information. So as a common man, if you think, so they are getting something new, some good business during this bad time. So there is something in this particular situation. So as per their research, do they think that bad times are getting over and this is the time to start a good thing? So that is the reason they have announced. So do they have that extra information with them, or else are they planning to boost our economy? Because our economy has fallen down. Small scale businesses are not able to survive. Daily wage members are not having money, no work, nothing. So a lot of shops are going to shut down. there'll be a lot of very bad impact on Indian economy after this shutdown is over, lockdown is over. So during this time, the economy is going to restart. A lot of businesses have to start newly. The old business would have crashed. So this is an opportunity for startups or new businesses. New businesses means if you have money, you can do it. People who don't have money can't survive. But yes, people who have money like this big giants have to start up. So if they are investing such money, then definitely there is some good news in this, or they are planning to boost or restart the economy with their business idea. So now let's see in detail here. So if you see the Facebook story, okay, let's see the Facebook story, why they want to come into India. One background: Facebook has around 328 million users in India, and they have 400 million users in WhatsApp in India. Okay, so they have a big crowd in India already. And you know that recently when Facebook took WhatsApp, they started something called WhatsApp Pay. See, like our Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, they created a payment, digital payment, WhatsApp Pay, which is not a big click in India, but they started in WhatsApp Pay in WhatsApp. So Indian digital payment market is projected to reach a value of $135 billion by 2023. So as per research, at 2023, okay, next let's say 3 to 4 years down the line, they are expecting $135 billion market. This phone pay, Google Pay, it's a big market. So they're planning that digital market payment market is gonna become very big in India, because India is getting digital. So that market is gonna become the biggest. The physical market may go down, but digital market is going to become big. All right, so we can already see the difference. So that is the projected value. That is the scope what they can do. So this is a time where Facebook can take this opportunity. Such a big country with so much of population, this is the right time to take an opportunity. But remember, in India, in digital payment, you would have using Phone Pay or Google Pay. So Google Pay and Phone Pay are the biggest players in India, followed by third position, let's say Paytm is also a big player. So now coming into this particular business is very difficult, because these are already so big. Okay, and Paytm cannot survive these big players already, because they are investing a lot of money from different countries also. And Facebook and Google are like big competitors in this world. So always they will be finding opportunities to compete with. Now that was the story of Facebook. Now let's see the story of Reliance. Why will Reliance be ready for such type of why do they need a help of Facebook? They can directly enter like how Reliance Jio did. So what they are planning is, see now for example, Reliance had in January, they had told they will come in e-commerce. That is like Amazon, Amazon, right? So Amazon is the top, like Flipkart, Amazon. Reliance also are planning to come in e-commerce. That is nothing but electronic way of selling, all right? But Reliance already have Reliance Fresh. Physically, they are selling all these groceries and all this. They have electronic shops and all, Reliance Digital. So their physical shops are there, showrooms are there. But they don't have this like Amazon. They don't have big platform where they can do selling and all that, right? So now this is one of the reason why Amazon is so big that you cannot beat Amazon. Even Flipkart is feeling so difficult to compete with Amazon. So Amazon is already strong in the world. They are so big. So in India, if suddenly Reliance start up their own app, looking at the app or facility interface and the process, many things will fail, all right? Because Amazon is in next level. So to compete with Amazon, the only way they can do is by joining hands with Facebook, all right? So now if you see, yes, very important point. This is what I wanted to mention. Why they want to join hands with Facebook? Because Facebook is very strong in technology in the whole world. How they create the interface of WhatsApp and Facebook and Instagram and all those, their interface is next level, and their team is like that. Okay, they have a very strong technological research team over there. So we Reliance, rather than going with their own team, they can go with the topmost team in this world. So using them to create the platform of like Amazon will be the best, because when you enter, you have to come in next level. Because when Reliance Jio came, how Airtel and Vodafone got hit, same way they have to come up with so strong that people should be impressed to use. It should not be like this app is getting stuck and we're not getting a proper, the order is taking a lot of time, the process, all this will fail. So technology wise, Facebook is a great opportunity, and also Facebook can create centers in India, okay, to build this app and application and technology, backend, all that. So this will directly help a job opportunity in India. That is one thing. And also Indians going to US to work as a software developer and Facebook and all that will get directly opportunity in India. So we can, instead of going to US and all that, we can start working in India. We are getting job opportunities in India. So that is one good thing. And also WhatsApp, if they start their WhatsApp Pay, because of Reliance business, they will use this WhatsApp Pay for payment. So this, instead of starting individually, suddenly they can hit a larger crowd and they can make a lot of profit with this help of Reliance. So now how will this help our economy, and how will this help exactly our farmers and small businesses? So now you know, till now the small businesses and farmers, how they were doing businesses, because see, they buy, for example, onion, a broker comes and take from this farmer and sell it to some shops or to our end users. So middlemen, lot of middlemen are there, brokers are there. They take their commission in every angle, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, and they sell it to the next person. So this is how the farmers are losing their revenue, or the small manufacturers are losing their money. Now what will happen, these type of, their method is to take directly from these farmers, make a contact with the farmers and the small scale businesses, connect with all these small scale businesses, and then take some advantage. So according to their definition, the main focus of the deal is to come up with digital based solution for 60 million micro, small, medium businesses, 120 million farmers, 30 million small merchants, and many other million small scale businesses. So their planning is to contact all these small scale businesses and farmers who are not benefited from other type of businesses. So connect them, use this opportunity to connect with them, so that they don't lose the hope of farming, they don't lose the hope of manufacturing small scale, because we don't know where to sell. We know to manufacture, we don't know where to sell. That's the reason we stopped our business. Now we're getting an opportunity to sell to them in a better price than Amazon or Flipkart. These guys will give us better price, so I will sell it to Reliance and Facebook. So like this, what will happen, automatically these guys will get opportunities, lot of job creations will start, small scale business will boost in India, overall job creation, farmers, small businesses, manufacturers, everybody will get opportunity. Automatically our economy will boost. Okay, so this all depends upon Facebook and Reliance, how they will come up with this particular boom, how they start up, how they came up with Reliance Jio with sudden plans and attractive plans and marketing and pulling the crowd. Same way, let's see how they will come up with their business. So that I am basically a user of Amazon, always I take things from Amazon more than Flipkart. So if they can impress us and we can move towards them, let's see how they will do that and how they will make it more easy and more useful for us. So this will definitely help the economy of India, because currently whole world is in a bad situation. This type of opportunity will help make in India more opportunities for us to do businesses in India. This will help the economy and go. And as a trader and investor, if our economy goes up, our markets also will go up. So this is an opportunity for investors also. If these things go right, if we try to invest right now in this bad situation in certain good companies like this, Reliance or some companies like this, so that in the future when they do good, our whole economy goes up, market goes up, these companies also go up. And that's how we take benefit of these type of opportunities to invest. So this is just a thought from my side, how you can look into these things. So thank you so much for giving the background behind it and how the future is gonna help. And this is how people invest money. We don't see stock buy and stock sell. This is not how big players invest money. They look background like this, fundamentally the strategy behind it, and be ready with the amount. So whenever certain things are announced, they invest, and in the future when things go up, they sell. So I know it may be a little bit different way of seeing, because we do intraday trading. This is something in terms of long term and opportunity. Slowly we will start reading like this reports and understanding concepts, so that at least a few years down the line we will be an expert in analyzing new opportunities. So thank you Angel Broking for sharing this particular piece of information to me to share to my audience. Credit goes to them. I hope you guys got an idea about this, and please do share this with all your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button and share button. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.